Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. In this video I will show you how to replace the blank cells from a range of data in Excel with whatever value you may want. And I will show you two ways of doing that while still keeping this video really short. So if you learn something new and if I help you in any way, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you want, subscribe for more content like this. Right, so first we're going to start with the first option. And you can see that I have some data in here: a first name, a last name, and an email address, and then an age. And for the email address I'll show you the first method, for the age the second method. Right, so the first one is selecting all the data that you have. So I selected from row 1 to row 99 and press Ctrl and Age, and this will open the find and replace box. And in the find what, we're going to leave it as blank, so this will find the blank cells. And in replace with, I will enter a dash, but you can enter whatever you want. And we have these options right here. We can either find next, press replace, find next, press replace, or you can press replace all. That will do all the replacements in your column. Close this, and if you look at the data, a dash has been added to all of the blank cells. And the next option, and this is probably the best option that we have, is to press Ctrl A and to select all the data range, and then press F5, and that will open the Go To menu. You see, if I selected the whole range, I have this range in here, so this dialog box will know to refer only to that range. I'm going to click on Special, and from here I can select blanks, hit OK. And now all the blank cells have been selected, right? And I can start typing. I can start typing a dash, and here, before I press enter, because if I would press enter, only the first cell would be populated, I will instead press Ctrl and then enter. And notice how every blank cell has been filled with that dash. I'm just gonna center everything, and that's it. These are two ways of replacing blank cells with whatever value we need in Microsoft Excel. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.